Hey there, fellow YouTube enthusiasts. Welcome to Think Inspirationals. YouTube's algorithm has finally blessed you. But wait, before you shout, Amen, let's break down what this blessing really means. Our first example is PewDiePie. With over 100 million subscribers, PewDiePie knows a thing or two about riding the algorithm wave. But even he has faced the ups and downs of YouTube's unpredictable algorithm. One day you're blessed with millions of views, and the next day, crickets. Casey Neistat, the king of vlogs, once said, "You can't chase views, you have to chase making great content." Casey's success came from sharing his authentic life, not just relying on the algorithm's blessing. His secret? Consistency, creativity, and being true to himself. And let's not forget Lilly Singh, A.K.A Superwoman. She reminds us that the algorithm can be a fair weather friend. One day it loves you, and the next, it's like you don't exist. Lily's advice? Focus on creating content that makes you happy and adds value to your viewers' lives. So, should you say amen when the YouTube algorithm blesses you? Sure, it's okay to celebrate those viral moments, but don't let the algorithm dictate your happiness or content creation. Here's why. 1. Algorithms are unpredictable. Just like the weather, the algorithm changes. One viral video doesn't guarantee continued success. 2. Authenticity wins. Viewers are drawn to real, authentic content. Share from your life's overflow, not just what you think the algorithm wants. 3. Consistent quality. Focus on consistently creating high-quality content that you're passionate about. Your true audience will appreciate it. 4. Engagement over views. It's better to have a smaller, engaged audience than a large, passive one. Build a community that values what you share. Successful YouTubers like Mr. Beast, MKBHD, and Emma Chamberlain focus on engaging with their audience and creating content they love. The algorithm's blessing may come and go, but a loyal audience stays. Think of the algorithm as a roller coaster. There are thrilling highs and nerve-wracking lows. Instead of getting dizzy from the ride, stay grounded in what makes your content unique and valuable. Remember, the real blessing is in the joy of creating and connecting with your audience. So, when the YouTube algorithm says you're blessed, smile and say amen, but keep your focus on sharing your passion and authenticity. Thanks for watching Think Inspirationals. If you found this video fun and informative, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more contents. See you next time, and happy creating those contents you love to share with the world. Cheers.